Si Garcia, oh, de Garcia. Oh, bicar ba? Hindi na ko si SBS.
Sakit na ako! Sakit na ako! Victor!
Congratulations!
Ready!
Congratulations sa team Nocturnal.
Ready, one!
For the second place, the season 24 Olympian Boys.
Tayo na!
Okay! Ito na! The champion for season 24, Black Panther, headed by our very own commissioner, Manny Mamuya.
Yun na!
Parang may sabotahe ito, commissioner ang nag-champion. Commissioner, Manny Mamuya, Jason Paul Lee Gonzalez. Parang na-predict mo kaya, Simpson, katagal na panahon, ngayon ko lang nag-champion, April, di pa udo. Kung hindi lang pala kayo, di pa udo. Di kayo mag-champion. Uralis, Masula.
Yung mga bago man yan, no? Mga bago.
Si Chef Marino Brutal. Si Mr. Marino Brutal. Lupiano, kuyat na yan. Mr. Ryan T.G. Morata. Outside the Colombo.
Billiard pa more!
Mr. Ken Pagi Rebato. The big man in the middle, Boss Romar Alcoriza. Para Platinos. And walang iba kundi si Mr. Julius Custodio. The Shanghai. And the finals MVP award goes to Finals MVP. Walang iba kundi si Ryan Morata. Okay? Congratulations! Para sa ating mga special awards. Special Child Awards! Ang dami naman niya. Sa ating special awards. Sige, ikaw na ba? Mythical 5 Award! Sa Mythical 5 Award. Mythical 5 Award! At center, pinakamalakas na sentro ngayon sa Tubigan. Awarded by Commissioner Manny Mamuya and Boss Tito. For center, mythical team. Asan ba? Cesar Esteves Jr. Esteves! Kami ka na nila.
Picture! Saka muna!
Power forward! Ito, power forward. At power forward, physical team. Goes to the invisible man, Ryan Morata. Ryan Kenji Morata, physical team, power forward.
Pag MVP na yan. Kaya pala nare-rated. Kaya pala nare-rated, oh.
At small forward, critical team for small forward. Goes to Dominical Aquino. Kunin mo na yan, sa inyo na.
Dito kayo, Ryan.
Mamaya.
Doon muna kayo, doon muna kayo.
Wait guard.
Doms, doon muna kayo.
For point guard of physical team. Goes to Dale G. Abian. Oh, sa shooting guard tayo. Next. Shooting guard. Shooting guard, sa shooting guard. And for our shooting guard. Mr. Julius Custodio. Julius Panganiban. Custodio.
Ayun
Yung
na.
medical 5 ha?
Abyan.
Hindi, sabay mo na yung ano dyan. Pagkatapos. Medical 5 dyan. Medical 5.
Ay, Abyan.
Medical 5.
Abyan.
Picture, medical 5. Picture naman, medical 5. Picture
Abyan. Abyan.
Abyan. Itali mo na yung trophy mo pare, mawawala pa to. Ladies and gentlemen, the medical team of season 24 Philippine Boys.
You stay in my mind like a fantasy. As the world turns round, time is standing still. If it ever
And for our season MVP,
standing still, if it ever
our season MVP, overall MVP goes to Rachel Custodio! Wow! Okay. MVP award goes to Julius Custodio. Rookies. Congratulations. Well done. Wala mo na. Oh, Miguel. Congratulations. Oh, isa pa. Yan, pwede rin yan. Pwede pa-picture din yan. Ito, rookie. Rookie of the year goes to Custodio ba yan? Hindi.
It's the best.
Isang angkan pa rin eh. Goes to Mr. Cesar Esteves Jr. Congratulations. Dalawa yan eh. Dalawa trophy yan. Congratulations sa ating rookie of the year.
Silang apat.
Okay? Nagas, okay? Di ba tapos? For our most improved player. Sino ba sa inyo ang most improved player natin sa season 24? Sama na tayo kay Bangong. Most improved player of the year.
Sandali po.
Randy.
like the trust we see. You stay in my mind like a fantasy.
Okay, next. Our most improved player award goes to Republic of Korea, Rock Robiano.
Bro!
Rock.
Ayan, happy birthday!
Okay. Congratulations, bro. Okay, next. Okay, season 24 Sportsmanship Award goes to Sarandi Masula. Congratulations. Sportsmanship Award. Kahit nasasapit.
Siya pa ang kumakamay.
Okay? Next, we'll be giving Bulawas Special Award for Season 24 goes
Wala
to
pa! Iba rito!
Mrs. Jeneline
Wala na. May award ka!
Utang-kota sa trophies.
Picture!
Wala nang outside na Kulambo. Tapos na.
Congratulations!
Makakauwi na!
Makakatabi na.
Marami pa! Next,
Special award!
another special award for his active participation.
Ano ba yan?
May I call on Mr. June Pangilinan. Mr. June Pangilinan. Special award for active participation. Congratulations.
Time is standing still. If it ever ends, we'll do it again. As the world
Yan ka pa. Ito ka muna.
standing still. If it ever ends,
Another award for sportsmanship and dedication will goes to Mr. James Manala. Congratulations.
Yay! Hawak!
Oh, this is the big one. This is a big one for the big boy. Another sportsmanship and dedication award will goes to Mr. Romar Artoriza. Congratulations.
like a fantasy. As the world turns round, time is standing.
Okay, sportsmanship award. Another one. Another sportsmanship and dedication will goes to Kabayan Jem Norte. Congratulations.
May award
Kabayan. Sportsmanship. Don't be sad. Sportsmanship. Special award. Another very, very special award. Ito, may medal tayo. We're calling on attention of Mr. Mascareñas. Mascareñas. Special award. You have the award. Pinagkaitan ng award. You have. Ano yan? Best New Award. Next will be, this is also another special support and dedication. Okay, will goes to Mr. Dex Caceres. Congratulations. Yay. Dexter Caceres, special support and dedication. Thank you very much.
We are champions. The best part of me. Here to catch me down.
Okay, next, another support and dedication award will goes to Mr. Rod Bunga. Kuya Rod, thank you and congratulations.
Standing still. If it ever ends, we'll do it again.
Another season 24 sportsmanship and dedication. May call on Mr. Kenneth Miguel. Alam namin, nanginig ka na eh. Congratulations. Only a warning.
Only sportsmanship ah.
Okay. Another sportsmanship and dedication. Oh, this is the best. Really the best will go to Mr. Marvin Garcia.
Ah! Ah!
Sportsmanship and dedication. Where's Mr. Marvin? Marvin
Ah, si Maki.
Garcia. Maki boy. Hi guys, representative. Any representative? Steve Marks. Any representative to receive special award for Mr. Maki? Okay. Support and dedication.
Mabait naman ako ah.
Goes to Mr. Dennis Timalata. Congratulations. Support and dedication.
As the world turns round, time is standing still. If it ever ends, we'll do it again. As the world turns round, time is standing.
And next will be another Season 24 Sportsmanship and Dedication Award goes to the one and only, our founder and commissioner, Manny Mamuyak. Congratulations.
Picture kay Kom, picture kay Kom.
Okay. Marami pa? Marami pa pala? Okay, another
Kanino ba to?
special support and dedication to our
Matawak-awak ko. Kaya nga eh.
manager, Mr. Johnny Water Iligan. Congratulations. Okay, next. Special support and dedication will goes to
Hindi pa masyadong masakit ngayon.
Mr. John Edwin.
Pataka mo naman kasi. Hindi ka umiilang.
For special support and dedication.
Mukha ko ng foul eh.
Every day.
Mukha ko ng foul. Malay ko bang masakit. Bayad, bayad. Bayad! Parang nakita ko sinadya mo. Ito umira sa mukha ko. Sinano ko ba? Bayad na dapat magbayad.
Special award for most active and dedicated. Your boss. Dito, together.
Ba't ko lang? Kaya ang good news na ako. Tsaka kausap ko, di ba? Tigilan na. Bayaran na. Ano to, sir, manager? Hoy, thank you!
As the world turns round, time is standing still. If it ever ends, we'll do it again.
And our final award for a special award for active participation and sportsmanship. Si Melen.
Uy, pengi namang isa. Di ba ako makakain? Hindi nasasaktan. Hindi nasasaktan to eh.
Cellphone. Nakita ko pre. Kumanya ka. Napok mo yung mukha mo ha.
Malalaan sa lip na yan.
Cellphone yun, tawag.
Cellphone, sumuko. Ganun ka lakas? Ano to? Sportsmanship?
Thank you very much. That concludes our special awards. Congratulations sa mga nanalo, sa mga natalo, tulad ng special club. Better luck next season. Let's stay tuned para sa ating season
Sportsmanship award?
25. Maraming salamat sa support na. Thank you very
Lana
much.
lumpia?
Kumain na kayo mga
Lana lumpia?
Thank you. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Hello. Kumusta ka na? Sinong ready? Sige, buha ka na. Yan.